So today I'm taking out both of these cars today around the block, get them hot, get everything circulating. They're both classic cars, both carbureted cars. Come with me along this journey. I'm gonna tell you guys why when I'm driving these cars around, why I do this. I do this once or twice a month. Try to actually do it twice a month, but here we go, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and start the car. There we go. Now that it's started, we're gonna let it warm up just a little bit before we go on this drive. We're gonna take the 65 Impala out, then we're gonna go ahead and take the 65 Mustang out. So, all right, so why I take these cars out once or twice a month around the block to get it up to temperature. The reason why is I want the oil to get hot. I don't want the oil to sit down on the block, and then it's going to be very hard to start the car, and then the car will start, you want the engine to always be lubricated, especially with old cars. Actually, if you have an exotic car as well, you want to start them up twice, 3 times a month. Same thing with these old cars. They're carbureted cars, so the minute you stop starting them up, it's going to be a very hard time to start them up. So you definitely want to get them up to temperature. Just drive them up, get them lubricated, get them up to temperature. That's all you want to do. Just get them up, drive, have fun. I usually just drive around the block. One time I just get it up all the way up to temperature, take it back. That's it. Also, the drive shaft, everything just starts turning. Everything starts turning, especially now that it's about to be springtime now. We are at the end of March, so these cars are going to start getting taken out for summer, spring, of course. So definitely need to get them ready. So if you also want to rent out this car, this is a 1965 or my 65 Mustang that we're going to come back and get, the link is down below, so you can hit me up and rent it out for anything that you need for events, anything like that. It's not self-drive though, so I'll let you guys know. Now this is one of my favorite cars to drive because I can take this car anywhere. It's not going to have any problems. I built this car perfectly well, so there is no issues. It's just a very, very smooth car to drive. Disc brakes, I don't have to worry about anything. Just get in, start it up, drive. It feels like a fuel injected car, but it's not. So one of the reasons why I like taking this car out than all of my other cars, and one of the biggest reasons why this car is the best car to take out on a day like this as well, because with it driving is just so much fun. And being a convertible, obviously today I have the convertible up, but hey, we're still taking it out for a little spin till we get back, and then I'll show you guys the 65 when we get back to the house. We'll take that on a little spin as well. And what I do too is when I'm driving this car, I just floor the car too as well, get all the gas going in the carburetor. So you can see now we're at 190, pretty much up to temp, and we're good. We're about to take the car back and take the other one. It takes about like 2-3 minutes of my day, nothing too crazy, but it's just a good protocol for your cars, because then if you let it sit too long, it takes forever, and then sometimes they don't even want to start. Then you'll have issues with your motor, your block, and you might have to do a repair that you don't want to do. So it's the best thing to just do this, to be honest, guys. A good 2-3 minutes saves you thousands of dollars at your mechanic. Now that we got the car back, I'm gonna give you guys a walk around. This is my 1965 convertible. All original paint, original rims, or hubcaps actually I should say, not rims. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the 65, and like I mentioned before, if you want to rent this car out for your event or this car, the link is down below to check me out, to rent this out for the events. It's getting into spring, summer, guys. These cars go really well for events, weddings, photo shoots, video shoots. I'll bring the car to you guys. So let's go ahead and do same thing with that car. Go ahead and bring this car in and go take this car out for a spin.
About to take the Mustang out. Oh man, dude. You see, this is why I take these cars out once or twice a month. Battery's dead, so we have to charge it. Something happened. I probably left the door open, but this is why we maintain these cars, because we don't know that something like this happened. Now, if this was an exotic car, I would be even more pissed off. But since it's a classic car, the batteries are like $30 and nothing happens. So we're gonna go ahead and put the trigger charger on it. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up for a couple hours, and then we'll go take this car out.
Okay, now that we started, we're gonna go ahead and drive this around the block as well. Get the engine running, the oil churning around that engine to make sure there is nothing that goes wrong, especially now that it's gonna be summer. And you know, we love to take out our convertibles out here in California, especially if you own the classics. So this is just preventative maintenance. Now, as you can see here, my temperature gauge, I do want to get the bigger temperature gauges so I can know what temperature it is at, but with this one, we're not halfway yet. So just, you know, do it around the block, get it up to temperature, as I mentioned, and all we want to do is just drive it. Sometimes I'll just rev it for a little bit just to get it out there, get it at higher RPMs, let the drive shaft and everything just oil up. Just, you know, it has to, instead of just sitting in the garage and just sitting, you just definitely want to get it out there, have it work a little bit, get it running, get that oil, get that gas burning. Because even right now, even with my 57 in the backyard, it's not even starting right now. It's not starting. And then it's a good California night right now to just be doing this. Took a couple hours for the battery to charge. So yeah, now we just get to drive the car. And look at how clean these interior is. And the beauty thing about this car too, everything works. As you can see, that speedometer, it's going up. I actually have AC as well, aftermarket AC in this car. Man, because some of these cars, if you do not have AC, that heat from underneath kicks under into where you're driving at. And this car, and these cars can get hot, man. I get super hot every time, and you know, that's why I love having the convertibles, because I can just drop it down and all that heat escapes to the you know, the cockpit or like the driver's side or inside the car. So that's one thing I love too when you're having the convertibles. And yeah, there's nothing wrong with this car at all right now. Just hearing, and also another good thing for preventive maintenance is when you're driving these cars, you can hear the engine if there's anything going on or any fixes to go on. Oh, something happened right there. My for some reason, I don't know if you heard that, but the gas pedal got stuck a little bit. And this car has drum brakes, not disc brakes. It does not have a disc conversion yet, which I probably will put a disc conversion in this car. But so that was kind of scary. I do not know why it got stuck. That was weird. But you know, we just want to get it up. We're almost there. We're close to being at mid temp, but this is good enough. We just took it about maybe 3-4 miles, and then gonna go sit it back again, and we'll be done. And that's why I definitely keep preventative maintenance. So if you want to see more stuff and everything, and you like this video, like and subscribe. See my WW video up here if you want to see how you can rent classic cars to, you know, production music videos or anything alike. Click here and see my WWE video.